Departmental justice system, academically based offenses are considered especially heinous. At the University of Windsor, the dedicated detectives who investigate these vicious felonies are members of an elite squad known as the Physics Club. These are their stories.
You ever solve that case of the missing Faraday cage?
I wish. That one still keeps me up at night.
Wait till you see this new one. It'll be sure to have your skin crawling.
Oh, I can't help but feel sorry for her. We ever tried to death?
Looks like it happened around midnight, the way it always goes.
Nothing ever changes.
Just as I thought. A classic. Poor girl. Looks like she tried to submit right at midnight. She nearly got it too. She thought she submitted, but didn't wait for the Blackboard submission receipt. The sheer shock must have made her drop dead.
This sounds like a lot to get done in 2 weeks. How about we think of something a little more doable? We can't pull an all-nighter like we do when we start assignments the night before.
Yeah, but we still need something that everyone has seen, something that's exciting and funny, and lets the incoming students know how important their first year is.
Wait guys, what if we do a parody about The Office? I don't know anyone who hasn't seen that, and it's perfect. There's enough characters for everyone, and we could act out the infamous Kevin's chili scene, and we could call it The Department.
Don't remind me of that. 2019, check the archives.
Hey everyone, we got a lab meeting in 5 minutes. Lab meeting in 5 minutes, let's go!
I feel like we might not have the acting chops to do all this, so it might be better to just do some voiceovers. Like just have stick figures explaining the Physics Club school survival guide.
Okay, so picture this. Physics Club meets The Simpsons.
I mean, if we can't shoot a Law and Order spoof, there's no way we can create a full animated short film. We're not trying to win an Oscar here.
These videos are supposed to be informative, right? Why don't we just do a news bit? Tonight, we hear from the medical professionals about the transformative effects of regularly visiting Physics Club and how you can visit too.
Did you attend the Physics Orientation Day? Here's how you might be further ahead than your peers. Before that, we hand things over to Emily for the weather report.
I'm here outside the professors' offices where you can see there is a distinct lack of students. Inside these offices are professors with dedicated time to answer any of your questions about exams, coursework, or their lectures. My suggestion, ditch the umbrella and visit office hours instead of drowning in homework on your own.
Thanks for that word of advice, Emily.
We'll be back after the following message from our sponsors.
It happens to all of us. We can't escape it. We live every moment in it. Gravity. Everybody knows it. Few understand it.
How have I fallen and I can't get up?
Introducing Physics Club Introductory Physics Tutorials. With the help of 2 trained tutors, you can work to calculate the force of gravity and understand it in more depth. Register today by calling 1-800-140-PHYS or by emailing physclub@uwindsor.ca. Registration only costs a small price of $5. Call now and receive not just the tutorial session, but a complimentary review package as well.
That feels like high school morning announcements. I don't want to give them flashbacks. Also, the commercials, are those really necessary?
This is literally impossible. All of our ideas are either too cheesy, too much work, or they've already been done. We've been coming up with ideas for a week and we still have nothing.
I think I'm getting delirious. We've got to decide on something quick.
I've got it! Why don't we take inspiration from this? This whole brainstorming session here. This is the movie. We write a series of skits with each of these ideas. That's the movie.